It's October 22nd. I'm selling my 3-cylinder diesel Kubota engine mini excavator. It works perfect. It has 3 hours on it. I was just digging this hole right here because I'm going to put a concrete pad in front of my house, in front of my front doorstep. So I just dug this out. I need it for a couple other little things, but no longer need it. So someone's going to get a great deal on it. Kubota engine, brand new. A little dusty, but it's dusty out here. 3 cylinders, diesel. Only has a 2.9 hours on it. I'll probably hit the 3 hour mark. Just moving it around and stuff like that. Just wanted to start it up, show you guys how it operates.